Welcome to our channel, Always Keep Moving. We are Anna and Kelvin and we're doing our round the world trip. We have already completed the first leg of our journey, which was in Central America. We've also completed South America and we had a great safari for a month in Africa. From there we went to the Middle East, and after seeing some fantastic sights in the Middle East, we are now starting the third leg of our journey, which is Thailand and the rest of Asia.
Don't forget to watch our previous videos from Latin America, Africa and the Middle East. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello everyone and welcome to Koh Samui. We finally arrived. We took our overnight train from Bangkok and then we took the boat over from a town called Suratana. We're finally here, and where we're staying on Koh Samui, we are not staying in the main resort, which is Cheweng. We're staying about 10k over in a place called Lamai. Okay, so welcome. And we're going to show you around Lamai and the rest of Koh Samui. We're getting ready for our breakfast at our little hotel, come guest house, whatever you want to call it. And we are literally right on the beach here. Literally, just couldn't be any closer.
Right, I'm just going to give you a quick little tour in the bungalow that we're staying at. We are in A14. Yeah, but no, we are really happy with this bungalow and this resort in general. Actually, I mean, it's the beds are super comfortable. We sleep really, really well in here with the curtains. It gets really dark at night. It's a quiet area, so you don't hear almost any sound from the street in the night. And you have a free breakfast included. And the free breakfast, you probably have a choice of 20 different options to choose from. So yeah, no, it's really, really good. So we're really happy with this place. Magic Resort in Lamai Beach in Koh Samui. Can highly recommend it to anyone coming to this area in Thailand.
Ding 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 ding.
Christmas Eve in Koh Samui. People are dressed out as Santas here.
As you can see, the Muay Thai boxing contests are very popular here with tourists. They're free of charge and go on 3 or 4 times a week. Well, for me, to be honest, watching 2 kids who are uncoached hurt each other isn't my idea of a good night's entertainment. So we just moved on quickly.
And Kelvin and Signe are going to go out with the jet ski. So I'll be on filming duty. The water has been quite choppy the last 2 days, but early today at least it felt a lot better. So we'll see how it feels now, and if it feels good, yeah, they're gonna go out with the jet ski. But it's a lovely, lovely resort here. We are in Lamai Beach, staying at the Magic Resort, and it's such a nice place. Such a nice place. Such lovely staff here also. Hello. There they have the massage ladies. Yeah, water looks calm and nice. It's a little bit overcast today, but it's actually quite nice. It's been really hot the last couple of days. Kelvin is settling the bill, paying up. There are actually quite a few other people who are also going out right now. And it's probably because it's the first time the water has been calm now for over 2 days. Safety first. Life vest needs to be on. All right, here they go. They got a cool black one. The little kids here are gonna help them on. They're not old, huh? It's cool. Already helping out in the family business.
This one? Yeah. This one, yeah, okay. Hey. On there, yeah? Okay. Yeah, yeah. You okay, Signe? Okay.
Yeah.
Key. Yeah, okay.
Okay, the green one start,
Yeah,
red one stop,
okay.
power like a bit.
Power pack like moped, yeah?
Power.
Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, you ready? You okay? Okay, my friend. So start. Ready? Yeah.
It's Christmas Day here in Koh Samui and we are ready for a night in town. Kelvin is ready. Signe is ready. I'm also ready. And yeah, we're gonna start with some cocktails before dinner. And we found a place right outside here, opposite from our hotel, that seemed pretty good. That had pretty cheap ones, so we'll probably start there, and then we probably might go for Indian, because they don't. The one place that did a British Christmas dinner today was already fully booked, so we'll stick with Indian today. All right, but we'll keep it posted during the night. All right, we have parked ourselves at the cocktail bar and gotten our first set of cocktails. Me and Kelvin went for one called Mudslide, which was Baileys with vodka and some coffee liquor and milk. And Signe went for a blue kamikaze. Don't really know exactly what was in that one, but yeah, it looks really good.
Something blue.
Something blue. So they're having a special deal on. The cocktails are 90 bahts, which is probably €2.50 maybe, which is a very, very cheap for being a cocktail. If you would have had to buy something like this in Sweden or Europe, you probably would have to pay almost 10 times more. All right, we'll report back after we have had it and let you know if it was good or not.
Okay, it's the next morning, Boxing Day 22. Okay, as you can see, we're on our motorbikes and we're heading towards the waterfall. There are various different ones on Koh Samui. The one we're going to is called Nam Wang. Okay, so here we come, a nice day at the waterfall. We just got here to the waterfalls, the Nam Wang waterfall, and it was 20 odd years ago when I came, so it's changed a wee bit, I have to say. It's got like a little market now, you can buy food and whatever else. Here, all signs. Like when I came, you're just literally walking on a dirt path through the jungle, so yeah, okay, so it's all a lot more family friendly now. But the waterfall's there, we'll go adventuring up and take a look. There is quite a lot of people here, but I'm hoping we can still get some good footage and have a bit of a swim. So here we are. The rainy season, or the big rains, only stopped literally a week or so ago, just before we got here. And So from our point of view, it was good timing. Not only is it stopped and brightened up and all lush, but the waterfalls are looking good. Okay, let's get closer and see.
Bolu, you want to come? It's very cold.
Now, in my defence, it was Signe's sport when she was younger. She was a competitive diver, so that's why she's much better than me, obviously. So, even though my diving wasn't much to look at least there was nice views to take your mind off it. We're actually at a little food market, just a couple of 100 metres up the road from where we're staying. Bit of everything. Just had barbecue, that was good, and I've had a chicken shawarma, whatever.
It's the next morning and we are back on our scooters again. We're gonna have another day of exploration here around the island, and this time we are driving up a little bit more to the north part of the island where there is supposed to be a big Buddha. And it takes about 20 minutes to drive there from Lamai Beach where we are staying.
Come up to the northern tip on the east side of the island, and yeah, it was just so pretty here. Right, here we are on the base of the steps to the big Buddha, so let's get rolling. Let's get up there. We're up on the top. It's a very beautiful surrounding here. We're being close, we're quite close to a more fisherman village. So yeah, you see quite a lot of boats here. Right outside the cafe here we found a bunch of fish. Ooh.
Okay, we're back on our scooters and heading towards a place called The Cocoon. It's a restaurant up on a hill near the airport, and apparently, according to our neighbours in the hotel, the views from up there are second to none. So, we're on our way and we'll give it a try.
is a really beautiful viewpoint here in Koh Samui. And they were really right. Look at that gorgeous view. Wow. How lovely. All right, we have gotten our second serving of Pick Us Up today. We are up at the lovely viewpoints. Oh, look at that! Yes, Signe got a Thai iced tea. I took a macadamia ice cream, another ice cream today, and Kelvin a Thai coconut ice cream actually. So yeah, lovely. But again, the best of all, of course, this lovely view. To have your ice cream with and your tea with. And it's actually a really cool place. The cocoon. Yeah, really cool. And then yeah, one really cool thing they have here is that they have a little net out here. You can lay here and relax and get your perfect Instagram shots. We have already taken our pictures, so we're good. Say hello to the camera. Here we are down from the lookout point, the viewpoint at the Cocoon, and now we have went to a place we went to the other day in Shaweng Beach. We're having a roast dinner exactly a few days after Christmas. They actually had that you could book for a proper Christmas dinner here on the 25th of December, but they were fully booked when we tried to do it. So, but every day on the menu they still have like a similar little thing, like a mini Christmas dinner. Half a roast chicken, roast potatoes, mashed potatoes, veggies, Yorkshire pudding, gravy. Yeah, so a proper meal after the running around today.
Good morning everybody. It's 7:15 and as you can see I'm strolling along the beach, but I'm on the way to the gym. I found a gym in town that opens at 7 o'clock, so I've been there every morning. It cost me 1,000 baht for a week, and it's more than okay. It's not the best I've ever been, but yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm in a good routine, training every morning, and it's the perfect way to start the day. Wake up at 6:30, get yourself together and start strolling down. The light is good, you're awake, kind of wakes your brain up. Little bit of sort of semi-meditation as you're warming up and getting ready. So I'm there every morning. I'm going to do a quick hour now and then get out of there before the crowds start coming and come back and have a bit of breakfast. And then today what we're actually doing is going on a day trip. So I'll get back, get Anna and Signe up, we'll have a quick bit of breakfast and get ourselves ready for our day trip to some of the surrounding islands that are actually national parks. But this will actually be coming in the next video. Okay, alright, bit of training and then we get ready. If you want any more information about this gym or about today's workout or any others, contact me on my Instagram. The Future of Fitness, Kelvin Marsh.